So how long does the ceramic coating last? 3 years, 5 years, 7 years? It all depends on how you maintain it. Don't trust what the coating manufacturer says, because everyone boasts of great numbers, but they never last that long. It all depends on how well you maintain it. This coating is exactly 3 years since I applied it, but I wanted to show you that it's still performing like when it was brand new. You see that? Look at that. Super tight water beads. Look at that. Look at here. Even in the lower panel. These airs usually are the ones that go out first, but look. And let me know, what is your favorite coating, or what is the coating that's lasted the longest for you, and how long was that? So you can have a really pro grade coating that's supposed to last more than 3 years, 5 years. But if it's not maintained properly, and for example, you take it every week through the drive-through car wash. Those drive-through car washes, the brushes, number one, they're really dirty, because think about it, all day dirty cars are passing in the same conveyor belt, and so you're pretty much going to get some of the previous car's dirt that's going to be left behind on the brushes, and then it's going to rub your car. The second thing is, those brushes can go up to speeds of 90 miles per hour. That's how fast they spin. They spin really fast, so they apply a lot of pressure at a very high speed. That's also what causes the scratching. And if you had a coating, it's just gonna start breaking it down little by little. And the other thing is that they don't clean those brushes often, so it's just accumulating dirt. High speeds, a lot of pressure are all the recipes for a disaster. So even though it's supposed to last, more than 3 years, let's say 5 years, 7 years, whatever, but that's gonna break down the coating. It might not even last a whole year, depending on how much you take it. On the other hand, even if you have a coating, for example, this one is 3D. It's the regular 3D coating. It doesn't have a rating of years, but let's say 2 years, 3 years. But it already surpassed the 3 years, and it's well on its way to last another whole year, so 4 years minimum. Why is that? It's because I think the biggest factor is it's garage kept. That's the biggest factor. It's garage kept, and it gets its maintenance detail every 3 months. And I apply a topper. So for example, here, this is Tech 582 ceramic detail spray. So I'm washing properly by hand. It's not being left outside, and it doesn't get driven a whole lot. That's another important thing. How much you drive, the distance, right? How many miles you put in the car, because of the high speed and all the things that are flying off the freeway, and just in general, those are the things that the things that are damaging or breaking down the coating. It doesn't mean it won't last, it just means it'll last less. So it all really comes down to the variables. So what's the point of all this? What am I trying to say? Simply, basically, even if you have a really professional grade coating, but you don't maintain it, it's not going to last a long time, or even close to what it claims. On the other hand, even if you don't have a super great coating, but you maintain it properly, let's say it's only supposed to last 2 years, it will definitely last 2 years and even more than what it claims, if you maintain it properly, and if you keep it in a garage and it doesn't get driven a whole lot. So those are the variables that matter, also if you're putting a topper. So it doesn't have as much to do with what the coating says it'll last, and more of the variables that it's put to or under, right? So that's why I don't really like, when I let clients know, I don't tell them what the coating company says, right? Because it doesn't matter what the coating company says. What matters is, how is the client going to maintain it? But very solemnly, very rarely I should say, have I seen any coating that will last past 5 years. That's almost like, even the ones that say 10 years. And that's just the nature of the game. So, don't believe those coatings say 10 years, 8 years. Don't go off of that. Is there a circumstance in which it could last those years? Perhaps, maybe, but it'll be like a collectible car that never gets driven and it's always garage kept, you know, like a garage queen. It gets washed, you know, every 2 weeks, maybe every month. You know, it doesn't that kind of condition perhaps, but for most cars that won't be the case. Okay, so basically this video is to just explain that the longevity of a coating, the durability of a coating, it all depends on the variables to which is put under. So basically, even if you have a coating that's supposed to last more than 3 years, let's say 5 or 7 years, but you don't maintain it well, you don't apply toppers, it sits outside all day long, it gets driven a lot, it's put under harsh environment, like a place where it snows a lot all the time and they put salt in the roads to melt the snow, and it's always getting on the car and you don't wash it often, you don't maintain it often, or somewhere where it's super hot like Nevada or Arizona and the car sits outside all the time and you don't wash it often, then the coating is not going to last those 5-7 years, whatever it promises. On the other hand, as you can see, this coating, it's supposed to last only 2-3 years, but it's already over a year and it's still performing like it was brand new, and it's well on its way to last 4 years. But that's because it's garage kept, it's maintained regularly, it's hand washed, so it doesn't go through it's never gone through a drive-through car wash, and it often gets toppers like a ceramic detail spray on top of it every time I wash it. It also doesn't get driven a lot. So it comes down to those variables. So don't trust what the coating manufacturer says, because everyone boasts of great numbers, but almost they never last that long. It all depends on how well you maintain it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.